Yeah, to expand on that, one of the Texas laws that go into effect about pedestrians, it's in honor of a Houston woman who was tragically killed while crossing the street.
KTK's Katie Pratt walks us through the possible consequences drivers could be facing for their negligence. Katie.
Neil, Casey, there's a lot of discussion about these new laws surrounding hot-button topics, including the heartbeat bill, gun safety, and alcohol sales. But there's one law that you might not have heard about, and that's crosswalk safety.
That day, Lisa was killed in a tragic crash. She was walking and taking my son to school, and she was struck and killed by a driver who was inattentive and rushing and not considering pedestrian safety. And that day we lost Lisa.
The new law is inspired by a tragic accident from June in Houston that killed Lisa Torrey Smith. Lawmakers named the bill after her, the Lisa Torrey Smith Act.
Fortunately, we were able to pass the Lisa Torrey Smith Act, which is going to rectify the situation in the future and bring about potential criminal liability for drivers who act negligently.
The Texas law is cracking down on the charges that violators may face.
If the person suffers bodily injury, it's a Class A misdemeanor, and if it's serious bodily injury, it's a state jail felony now. So it basically takes an incident that occurs in the crosswalk and makes it its own law.
Even though car crashes were down in the state for 2020, pedestrian fatalities increased.
In 2020, last year, we had 731 fatalities in pedestrian-related crashes. That was up 9% from 2019 in the state of Texas as a whole.
The Texas Department of Transportation reports that pedestrian deaths account for 1 in 5 of all traffic fatalities.
We want people to be free to walk, especially, we've got the new bike lanes in Tyler, and more people are bicycling, and we just want them to be safe.
Officials hope the Lisa Torrey Smith Act will make people think twice and help lower the number of pedestrian fatalities.
Hopefully those numbers will decline, and that's our goal. One death is obviously too many.
With Labor Day weekend just days away, it's important to remember to travel safe. Live in Tyler, Katie Pratt, KETK News.